Hi, I am going to make an Z of the alphabet with popsicle sticks. Let's begin. First, take popsicle sticks, then we'll draw lines with a scale on one popsicle stick. Then we'll draw lines on the second popsicle sticks. Then we'll draw a line on the third popsicle sticks in the same way. Then will be cut according to their shape. After cutting all these popsicle sticks below them alternately, this is our Z ready. Now let's make a stand to hold the Z. Then first we'll take 4 popsicle sticks, then we'll glue them together. Then make an egg-shaped pattern with a pencil. Then we'll cut it. Then we'll make a smaller one like this. Then we'll glue them all together and then place the Z on it. This has become Z from our alphabet out of popsicle stick. Is ready. If you like on a video, please subscribe and click the bell icon.